heading back to the track to get some conditioning work in. Fall is upon us in full bloom, as you can see by the turns of the leaves out here. So I'm going to enjoy this brisk weather and get some much needed conditioning in. All right, let's do it. That's pretty much it at the track today. Quick little sprint, get the blood flowing, and now we dine. Let's get it, boom. So the sun's going down on tonight. Gonna put this little kid to bed. And then I got a meeting in the city actually. It's like a little dinner meeting, trying a meeting of the minds, as they say. You know, I'm trying to build as big of a mastermind as I possibly can, so we can create something epic. Right? Right? Yeah. On my way to the meeting now, and I've learned through tons of meetings to just shut up and listen and be that blank canvas and have their thoughts just painted all over me, right? So that's exactly what I'm about to do. All right, let's get it. So meeting is done, and I'm going to wrap the video here. Just wanted to leave with this quick little message, and that is to seek to collaborate with as many individuals as you possibly can that's along the same path as you, because you never know which individual would lead you closer to your goal, right? Just had an awesome meeting, and as always, my mind is blown because my mind is always seeking that knowledge, you know, that'll lead me closer and closer to my goal. So that being said, just keep that awareness and get to work. All right, peace.